everyone, and welcome to this new CartBlock tutorial. Today, we'll learn how to restrict purchases when certain products with a specific tag exceed a defined quantity in the cart. The rule we'll create ensures that products with a designated tag cannot be purchased if their quantity surpasses the set limit. Let's get started and see how to create this rule step by step. Begin by navigating to the CartBlock dashboard and clicking on Create Validation. In the pop-up window, select the Basic Validation option. Next, assign a name to your validation. For this example, we'll call it Tag Cool Limitation. In the Error Message section, define when, where, and what message should be displayed to your customers. By default, the options for completing the checkout and interacting with the checkout are already selected. However, you can add the Interacting with the Cart option or modify it to suit your preferences. Then, choose the field where the error message will appear. Open the picker and click on the desired area. In this case, we'll select Cart. Next, input the error message text. For example, only 2 products with the tag Cool are allowed. You'll immediately see a preview of the message in the right column to visualize how it will appear. Under the function input field, leave the default value set to standard input. For the condition, select Tag of Product in the cart. Keep any selected and check the box for set quantity. This will open 2 new fields where you can specify the condition and the value. For instance, choose greater than 2. This means that if there are more than 2 products in the cart with the Cool tag, the cart will be blocked and the error message will be displayed. If one of the tagged products is removed, the error message will disappear, allowing the customer to complete their purchase. Once the conditions are set, you can select either All Markets, Default, or a specific market, depending on your needs. For this tutorial, we'll keep it set to All Markets. Save the rule, and it's ready to go. Let's test it out. Open your store and add a product with the Cool tag to the cart. Great. Now proceed to checkout. At this stage, no error message appears because there is only 1 tagged product in the cart. However, if you add 2 more products with the same tag, the error message is displayed as expected. Removing one of the products will make the message disappear, allowing the purchase to proceed as usual. As you've seen, it's quick and easy to block carts with products tagged in specific ways using CartBlock. This simple yet powerful rule gives you full control over your store's checkout process. Now go ahead and create your own rule with CartBlock and customize it according to the specific needs of your store. If you have any questions or require assistance, feel free to consult our articles and video guides or contact our customer support team directly. See you in the next tutorial.